Want to learn how to make this smooth edit without Twixtor? First, have your scenes ready. Go to Time, select Time Stretch, and set it to 150. Then do the same with the rest of your clips. Next, head over to Keyframe Assistant and mark the beats. Make sure to turn on frame blending and motion blur. For color correction, match these settings. If you don't have this effect, apply Curves and Hue Young Saturation and match these settings instead. And just like that, you're all set.